Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency Mr. Abdullah Yamin Abdul Gayoom, President of the Republic of Maldives, and the distinguished members of his delegation. The visit is a testimony to the strong bonds of friendship between our two countries. Pakistan and Maldives enjoy excellent relations, which are based on mutual respect, common faith, and shared interests. Our relations are marked by cordiality and commonality of views on major regional and global issues. Pakistan wishes to further deepen and broaden relations with Maldives in all fields of importance. During our talks today, President Yamin and I reviewed all important aspects of our bilateral relations. We focused on the need for regular political exchanges between Maldives and Pakistan, including high-level visits. We agreed on the importance of trade, tourism, and people-to-people contact. President Yamin and I also discussed the regional situation. I informed the President that Pakistan is focused on growth and development to ensure prosperity to our people. To this end, we want peaceful relations with all our neighbors. Our meeting also allowed us to discuss cooperation between Pakistan and Maldives at the multilateral forums, especially SAARC. Pakistan and Maldives signed a number of MOUs today, including cooperation in fields of sports, health, education, and illicit narcotics and drug trafficking. The signing of these documents should further help strengthen Pakistan's relations with the Maldives. The parliament building in the Maldives is a living monument of friendship between the people of Pakistan and Maldives. Pakistan had the privilege of building the parliament as a gift to our brotherly country, Maldives. I fondly recall my visit to Malé in 1996 for its inauguration. Pakistan will continue to provide training courses to the Maldivian diplomats in the Foreign Services Academy. Pakistan regularly offers seats in professional colleges and universities for Maldivian students. Courses are also offered for training in the banking and other sectors. All this will continue. I would like to thank President Abdullah Yamin Abdul Gayoom for his visit to Pakistan. And now I would invite His Excellency to make his remarks. Thank you.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Khatamil Anbiya wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Your Excellency Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, dignitaries, members of Press Corps, ladies and gentlemen. Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, I wish to thank you, your government, and the brotherly people of Pakistan for the very warm welcome and the generous hospitality that you have extended to me, to my wife, and to the members of my delegation since our arrival yesterday in this great city of Islamabad. I'm extremely happy to visit Pakistan at your invitation and to observe the nation's rich culture and admire the developmental progress achieved by its industrious and friendly people. Excellency Prime Minister, the Maldives and Pakistan enjoy excellent bilateral relations and development cooperation based on mutual trust and understanding, which are strengthened by people-to-people exchanges at all levels. As we near the completion of almost 49 years of bilateral relations, There have been indeed numerous high points in Maldives-Pakistan ties. The high points of relations have coincided with your previous tenure of premiership. This is, of course, no coincidence. Time and time again, Pakistan has proven itself to be a loyal friend to the Maldives. In times of triumph and tragedy, a decade ago, the Maldives was affected by the Asian tsunami. Pakistan's response to our appeal for support and assistance in our recovery efforts was overwhelming and greatly appreciated. Bilateral relations have been further strengthened over the years through broad developmental cooperation between our two countries in a plethora of fields ranging from infrastructure, defense, and human resource development. Mr. Prime Minister, I had the honor to meet with President Mamnoon Hussain yesterday and to discuss avenues to enhance the existing ties of friendship and cooperation between our neighborly Islamic countries. I remain confident that our shared values and commitment to enhanced regional cooperation will ensure even closer fraternal relations between Pakistan and Maldives. Prime Minister Sharif and I have just concluded a very fruitful interactive session, both one-to-one and together with high-level delegations from our respective countries. Following the extensive discussions on various issues of mutual interest during the official talks, Prime Minister Sharif and I had the pleasure a short while ago to witness the signing of a number of important agreements between our two countries, including agreements and MOUs on health, education, and sports cooperation, and strengthening mechanisms to combat illicit drug trafficking and narcotics abuse. Excellency, once again, I thank you for the warm welcome and hospitality extended to me and my delegation. Please accept, Excellency, my sincerest wishes for your good health and well-being. I foresee ties being elevated to a higher plane with conclusion of this state visit. I look forward to a long-lasting partnership that will not only strengthen existing ties, but also open new areas for cooperation and provide mutual benefits to Maldives and Pakistan. And Mr. Prime Minister, let me invite you to Maldives. As we mark the bicentennial celebration of independence, we would very much appreciate Pakistani Prime Minister being part of our ceremony. Please, Mr. Prime Minister, take some time and visit us, Maldives. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister.